Good morning, class. Good morning, everyone. In our last video, we have discussed about the two methods for holding a bill. That is, first is holding the bill till the maturity of the date. Second is discounting the bill from the bank. Hope you have done few questions related to both of those types. Today we will have discussed another type, that is endorsement. Endorsement is a case when we endorse that bill to the third party. Means drawer can endorse that bill to his creditor whom he need to pay money. So today we will discuss about the endorsement. We will have an question related to endorsement in which we have third party, that is Krishan, Dev and Wahid. So we will start from this, that is Dev owned 10,000 to the Krishan. On 1st May 2019 he sent his promissory note for the amount payable. Now the new term is promissory note. Promissory note is the self-acceptance. Till now what we have studied, that drawer sent a bill or drawer draw a bill on the drawee and drawee signed it bill and shown his acceptance to the drawer that he accepted the bill. Now he is liable to the pay the amount. But in case of promissory note, the drawee sent his acceptance by himself to the drawer that he is liable to pay money to the drawer. This is the same thing, say, like bills of exchange. But in this case, we have only two parties, that is drawee and pay, who will receive the money and who accept the acceptance. Because in this case, drawer is not drawing the bill, so there is no third party in case of promissory note. Only two parties are there, that is maker or drawee, or maybe or second party is pay. Pay is the person who receive money in every case, and the drawee is the maker of the bill. So in this case, Dev owned the money from Krishan and he sent his promissory note for the amount payable for 3 months on June 1st, 2019 to the Krishan. What he did, he sent bill to the Krishan that he is accepted that the amount is payable to the Krishan after 3 months. So in this case, Krishan is the drawer and Dev is the drawee, because Dev sent himself the promissory note to the Krishan that he is accepting that he need to pay money to the Krishan. So Krishan received the BR from the Dev. In this case, we also do not have the sales entry, like we do not have that in the case of discount of bill from bank. So we will start from the receiving of the bill from Dev. So on 2019, on 1st May, Krishan received bill BR account Dev. So the entry will go in the name of the Dev, and in case of Dev, as I told earlier, we do not use account in the name in further of name. So entry will be BR account debit to Dev. Amount will be 10,000. Same, we need to post entry in the book of Dev also. On 2019, 1st May, he sent bill to the Krishan debit to BP. As we know, we use BP in case of drawee and we use BR in case of drawer, because drawer is receiving the bill and drawee need to pay that bill. Next thing is, on 1st June 2019, Krishna endorsed the promissory note in favor of Wahid, to whom he owed the like amount on due date. They paid the amount. Means what happened, on 1st June 2019, Krishna endorsed the same bill in the favor of Wahid. Wahid is a creditor for Krishna whom he need to pay money. So he owned the like amount, means same amount he owned from the Krishan. So Krishan need to receive the 10,000 from Dev and Krishan need to pay 10,000 to the wife. Then what Krishan did, he received a promissory note from Dev and he endorsed the same promissory note to the wife. So in this entry, no entry will be posted in the book of Dev. The entry will go in the books of Krishan and Vaid. So first we will discuss what the entry will go in the book of Krishan. On 2019, 1st June. 1st June they have entry, that is he endorsed that bill to the Wahid. Wahid debit to BR. In this case, we use Wahid to BR because we need to pay money to the Wahid, so entry will be Wahid account, Wahid debit to cash account. But we do not paid cash to the Wahid. What Krishan did, Krishan sent that bill that he received from the Dev. So he will post the entry of the same amount, 10,000. Account will closed. In the book of Dev, we forgot the entry amount, that is 10,000. Now we need to post the entry in the book of Wahid because Wahid is receiving BR, so there is a inflow of BR account debit from whom he received, from Krishan. He need to receive money from the Krishan, but he received bills of exchange from the Krishan. So instead of cash, he will use BR here. He received that bill on 2019, 1st June. So this is the third party, that is Wahid. Earlier we have only two parties, but now they have introduced another party, that is third party. And in this case, Krishan is the seller, Dev is the purchaser, and Wise is the third party that is related to the Krishan. Dev do not have any relation with the Wahid. Only Krishan know about the Wahid. So Krishan received BR from Dev and Krishan endorsed that bill to the Wahid. Now after that, on due date, Dev paid the amount. On due date, Dev paid the amount. Krishan is already closed his book because he received bill from Dev and he endorsed that bill to the Wahid. So he do not have to post any entry on the date of due date or on the date of maturity. But on the due date, Dev and Wahid need to post entries in their books. So first we will post entry in the book of Dev. So they need to pay money, but first we need to find out the date of maturity, that is 1st May to 1st June, 1st July, 1st August. Then we need to find the due date. Due date will be added 3 days, that is 4th of August. 4th of August. He need to pay money, that will entry go same, BP account debit to cash, 10,000. So this is the entry for payment on the due date by the Dev. Then Wahid will receive the payment 4th of cash account debit to BR account. Amount will go 10,000. In this case, on due date, they paid the amount and Wahid received the amount. So the entry will go in the books, same as we have in case of discounting from bank. In that case also, there is a third party, that is bank. But after discounting the bill from the bank, the drawer is not liable for anything. So will be no entry we will post in book of drawer on the date of maturity or on the due date. But in that case also we have to post entry in books of drawer. Same in case of endorsement. On the due date we will not post any entry in the books of drawer, but we will post entry in the books of drawer and in the books of pay. Why is a pay in this case? Because why is receiving the amount. So as I told, who will receive the amount, that will be the pay. Same in this case, drawer is not pay. As I told, drawer and pay might be different in few cases. So this is the case in which drawer and pay is not same. payee in this case is Y, that is endorsee. After this, we have our last case, that is our fourth case, when we will send bill to the bank for collection. Because every drawer might be is a businessman. Then he might not have time on the due date. So what he do? He already sent that bill to his bank for collection. So now the responsibility of collection lies on the bank. So bank will accept money from DROI, and DROI now need to pay to the bank. So bank will collect directly from the DROI. Now drawer is only need to receive money from bank. He already given bill to the bank. So we will have an question on that. That is, on a 2-month bill for 60,000 is drawn by B and accepted by C. It means B is a drawer here and C is a drawee. At Bank of India, they drawn a bill for bank at Bank of India. B gives the bill to its bank for collection. B given that bill to the bank, then bank will collect that bill from C now. Now it is responsibility of bank to collect the bill from C on the due date. In case of discount of bill from bank, we can collect money before the time by paying a little much of discount charges. But in case of collection, bank will collect on the due date. They will might be charged some charges or maybe not, or maybe charge a very nominal charges. But the drawer will receive the payment after the 3 month or maybe on due date. So in this case, the drawer will receive money on due date, not the before of the due date. So how we will post entry? Because B drawn a bill on C, so B will receive the bill BR account debit to C, account close, date B account close. Because in this question they do not have mentioned about date, so we will not put date. The amount is 60,000. In the book of C, the entry will go in the name of B. B account debit to BP. That is the same entry that we have in our last 2 or 3 types of question that we have done. That is for acceptance of bill. After that, what they have done, B gives that bill to its bank for collection. Means B sent that bill to the bank for collection. So entry will go bill sent for collection debit to BR account. No entry will be made in the books of C because he do not know what the drawer is doing with the bill. So in the entry will be posted only in the books of drawer because he sent that bill to the bank for collection, that is of 60,000. Then on due date, bill is honored. Honored means the drawee paid amount for the bill. So the entry will be in the book of the B. B received money, but he received money through bank this time. So we will use bank account debit to. Now he do not have BR. So on what name he will post entry in his book? That is to bill sent for collection account. Because he already sent that bill to the bank, now he do not have bill, so he will not post entry in the name of that bill. He already have 2 entries for that bill, one for debit, one for credit. Now there is no bill that he have in books, so he will receive the amount from bank in the name of bill sent for collection. The amount is 60,000. In the books of drawee, the entry will be the same. He is paying money in the name of BP. So BP account debit to bank to cash. account close, amount will be the same, 60,000. So this is the entry that is related to bill sent for collection for bank. So in case of bill sent for collection to the bank, it means they are not discounting bill before the time. Now they are only giving an responsibility to the bank to collect the bill on the behalf of the drawer, because drawer might be busy in his own business, so he might be not found time on the due date, so he give responsibility to the bank to collect the bill on the behalf of the drawer from the drawee. So in the drawee the entry will be the same, one is for acceptance and one is for payment, but in case of drawer he have three entries. First he accept where he received the bill from the C, then he sent that bill from to the bank, then he received payment from the bank. So these are the four types that we have completed in our last session and today's video, that is about holding of a bill, discounting of a bill, endorsing of a bill, and last is sent for collection. All the four types are related for holding, are related to the drawer, how he can hold that bill, or maybe he can use in many ways that bill. So we have completed our first type of the bills of exchange. In next class we will discuss about the dishonored of the bill, when drawee is unable to pay the amount on the due date. So you need to practice the question related all these four types.